Hey there, me again. So the plan was to update you on the launch this week. Oh my god, bad hair day. Yeah, the plan was to update you on the launch this week. The launch that started out as an epic fail, as far as launches go. And 2 days ago, I did a whole video, transcript and all that, to explain why, as a launch, it was such a fail. I don't think it was a fail in other respects. Look, I did that workshop, that online workshop, and even though I didn't make any sales at the end, what I did do was I created loyal fans. I created ambassadors. So over time, some of these people most likely will become paying clients, or they will refer other people to me. So that's that bit. Now the other thing is, because I started so late with the launch, normally my style at least is to post a bit more often, but still give really useful, helpful LinkedIn tips, and then sort of either as an aside have a bit of a PS like, hey, by the way, you might want to buy this or whatnot. But it means that all my posts, my videos, my newsletters still have LinkedIn tips, still have valuable content with a little bit of a sales message. And then towards the end is where you really go like, 48 hours left, 24 hours left, 2 hours left, to really get those people that were on the fence the whole time to buy. Because I hardly did any content leading up to it, it feels quite awkward to now suddenly jump into this quick buy now kind of thing. I'm still going to do it because, nothing lost. So what's happening at the moment? I've done 2 emails that I thought still were quite interesting, but also had a bit of sales pitch in there. Each of them only had 3 unsubscribed, so that's not too bad. That's actually going quite well. But I just realized the biggest stuff up ever in this launch. And I mean, I lived in the United States twice in my life. After high school, I lived in Denver, Colorado for 6 months. I came back here, got a degree, and then I lived in Washington, D.C. for another 6 months. After that, I spent 10 years in Australia, which is not relevant for this bit. But since I came back in the Netherlands, I have mainly surrounded myself with expats. So I've somehow been living in this global community, online, offline, everywhere. And what did I forget? The last day of this launch, the day that it's like, buy now, or things go up in price and all that kind of stuff. It is Thanksgiving. Duh. How stupid can you be? But you know what? I'm just going to change it. Yep. So few people would have seen things that say, oh, you got to buy before Thursday night, 26th of November at 8 p.m. my time. And it may or may not say what time that is for other parts of the world. And I'm just going to change it. So on the one hand, with launches and things, there's always this thing. If you say this day, this time, that's it, we're going to cut it off, then don't sell it for that same price after that. And that is fair enough. You want to be reliable, you want to be trustworthy. But because I've still got 2 days, I will go on my website, reset the timer, change the wording so that I still stick to it, that if you hit my website and it says that it's only available at this rate until this day, this time, and this has passed, and you then go and buy, yep, it'll be €100 more. So that is a thing I really need to fix today. And that was my quick news about something else. Don't know if you've really looked into, so here's a business tip coming up. Don't know how much you really look into the marketing and maybe email marketing or sales pages, all that in your business. The biggest thing they're always telling us, have only one call to action. Don't give people different things to click on, because either they get confused and click nothing, or they might click the wrong thing. So only promote one thing at the time. So what I do today, Today I send out an extra email, a Facebook post and a LinkedIn post to let people know about LinkedIn Tea, my free weekly LinkedIn training that is happening today, and I wanted a few more bums and seats. So yeah, to completely confuse people, whilst I'm in a launch trying to sell a paid membership, which is a being brilliant membership really, more about that later. But while I'm doing this, suddenly I spend the day promoting a free thing in the middle of it. Yeah, so marketing, maybe not my strongest point. LinkedIn training, business coaching, having fun. Yeah, that's me.